Ever notice how scarfing down your favorite snack can lead to an unexpected case of hiccups? Blame your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs. When you eat fast, you gulp air, your stomach swells, and nearby nerves send frantic signals, making your diaphragm spasm. That hic sound? It's your vocal cords snapping shut. People try all sorts of cures, like holding your breath, sipping cold water, or even swallowing sugar. None are proven, but they might help. Got a trick that works? Share it in the comments.
Fascinated by the human body? Hit like and subscribe.